Conjunctions. A conjunction is a word that joins two nouns, phrases or sentences. The words for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so are called coordinating conjunctions. The mnemonic fanboys is an easy way to remember the names of the conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions always come between the words or phrases or clauses that they join. For is used like because. It presents reason. For example, we took out the umbrellas from the loft for it is rainy season now. And is used to show addition. It presents ideas that are similar. For example, my brother wants to be a writer and a scientist. Nor is used to say not. It presents a negative idea with another or joins two sentences having the adverb not. For example, my father does not get angry at me, nor does my mother, but shows a contrast, presents ideas that are opposite. For example, we went to the theatre, but we could not get tickets for the movie. Or shows an option, presents an alternative idea or choice. For example, be there on time or you will miss the bus. Yet presents an outcome or contrast. For example, I was upset with my brother, yet I helped him with his project. So presents a consequence or a result. For example, I had not done my homework, so I apologized to my teacher. Subordinating conjunctions. Subordinating conjunctions or subordinators are words that join different clauses into complex sentences. For example, we carried our raincoats. It was cloudy. Here we can see two independent sentences that are related. Now look at this sentence. We carried our raincoats since it was cloudy. Here, the above two sentences are connected by a subordinating conjunction since. The clause that is attached to a subordinating conjunction is called a dependent or subordinate clause. Remember that a subordinating conjunction begins a dependent clause and connects it to the independent clause. A dependent clause has a subject and its own predicate, but it depends on the independent clause for its complete meaning. The following words are called subordinating conjunctions. They have been listed alongside their categories.